Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm starting a second video of the ITSM service management. Before I start, I would like to introduce some things of my channel where I have made it easier to understand and also to search via the in any of the search items. If you search in YouTube, you'll find how you can find it easily. Then as example, let's say this is my channel, but if I go on YouTube and here if I type at Solman by Sudhir, get it directly by this channel. You can add it, or else what you can do is, if you are aware, just you can use add the rate Solman by Sudhir. So this is my alternate, you can say, the URL, which is youtube.com/ at the Solman by Sudhir, and which is easily searchable. You can search by this search bar as well. You can use it anytime. You will get my videos, depends on what you were searching. Yeah, along with that also, I would like to just add you some comments related playlist which I have added here. Now you can see there are many of the videos which I have updated in playlist, like what's new, Solman application operations. There are videos, there are 24 videos, and Solman ALM as well. We have some videos in micro learning series as well. There we have some of the videos: focus build, focus insights, focus run. I would be updating the videos on that part as well, and ITSM, which I had created a new playlist. Yeah, so today I'm just going to update a new video on ITSM, how you can use ITSM service management, what are the options available in UI, and what are the options available which you can use while using the IT service management from Solution Manager. Yeah. First of all, thank you all for watching my videos and sharing with your friends. If you're not sharing, please share with my channel and my videos, link with your friends, and please ask or request them to join if they want to learn Solman, even Focus Build, SAP LM Cloud, or Cloud LM, or Focus Run, because slowly I'm going to start. As I promised you guys, I will be sharing 3 videos in 1 week, but unfortunately due to some reasons I'm not able to do that, but I'll start shortly. But thank you for watching my videos and uh, sharing your comments, and I'm happy that you are sharing your comments on comment box, that please upload the video. Definitely I'm going to upload the videos and as soon as possible, and thank you. But let's start for today's. I'm just going to start my today's video, so which would be, I can say, the IT service management. So what I can say, this is the link, or this is the work center of Solution Manager, which can be accessed by SM_work center by adding this in your favorites as well, or you can hit the transaction. Yeah. In IT service management, as I promised, there were many of the new tiles as compared to last one, because that was last one was a PPT or PDF which was shared by SAP. But in actual system, in a demo system, you can see there are 3, 6, 7, and 6, 13 tiles, which has different options, different meanings of that. So as I said, this is a requester, this is a dispatcher, this is a professional, call center, create incident, which is application. This is my incident, where you can see your incident, how many incidents are assigned to you. Resolve and dispatch, which is definitely that is for resolving, dispatching incidents. Problem, incident change dashboard, service order dashboard, which is based on the service catalog. Yeah. Service request, incident dashboard, and incident trace, which is ITSM life cycle report, means that will show that how many incidents are created, how many are which stage they have gone currently. Yeah. So let's say I'm just going to click how I would like to show you that how you can use that. So then I'm just going to create on, I'm click on this requester icon. Now you can see it has logged in with the user who has requester access. Yeah. So now you can see how many access you are having in incident management, because a requester can have only create the incident or create the service request, because that is a request that person is required to only create incident or create service request. That's why, as per the rules, it is only given two options here to create, which is service catalog, sorry, service request, service and incident, and one more thing, which is a business requirement. Because if someone wants to create a business requirement, then this access is required. Yeah. So let's say that I'm going to create one incident. I'll click on create incident. From here I'll get the transaction type which I'm going to use, because as a person I should be aware. But here it is having multiple options, but in actual scenario we'll get only options which you have assigned to. Yeah. So let's say I'm just going to click on ZMIN, which is a custom created. Yes, so here you are getting details, you are getting forms, you are getting how you can act, how what you have to fill here. Let's say so or test incident. I can just type it, my work center role missing. I think there are some what I can say restriction in the number of text, number of the characters. So my role missing in PRD Solman. Yeah. Or I have, or you can say these my password locked, password not working. Anything. You can refine it by any other societies mentioning, which is impact. You can say single user effect, definitely password not working. Urgency, it is a medium, low, high, very li emergency. My pass xxx system password not working. You can mention your details like user ID, system ID. Yeah, that is sufficient. And if you want to attach or if you want to have contact person in that you can mention, you can, or it can be blank as well. Yeah. Next we'll go to next. Here the system will appear that for which system the password is not working. If you are having system, type your system IDs S4H or any of the system like which you are, for which the system your password is not working, right? Whatever. Now this is the object number which is showing. This is S4H. I can mention it here. So this is object ID that will be showing into the configuration item. But now here the instance SID, that installation number, and the client number which is showing here, so which will reflect in the detail element if it is related to solution documentation, but it is not because password is not working, or then relationship is required with any project, make it. If not, then leave it blank and go to next. Here you have to select the categorization. What type of that is? It is a business application, SAP. What type of systems you are using? HR. And if you have some, I think SAP component is not required, so you can make it blank. If you have any attachment, any screenshot from the URL, you can take it. and after that make confirm. Once you confirm and send, the incident will be created. Now incident with this SID is created. 26. Now this is 26. If I click on this, now what details you are getting here? You are getting the information related information related to incident. Text log you are getting. Categorization you are getting here. Attachment, if any have, you will get here. In below side, you will get the configuration and which is nothing but a for system reference objects, that is a SID. SAP notes, if you have mentioned no, then solution documentation if this issue relates to solution documentation. So this is how the create incident happen. In the same way, if you create an service request, you will get the same options. Let's say if I'm clicking here, create. Now you can see I'm selecting a category. What is top service password reset or IT equipment? If I select password reset, I'll get the information, quick access related to the detailed information you have to mention here. Then you have to send confirmation. Yeah. So that is related to the quick access or quick creation of a password reset. But if you talk about some other options like what is your request? First categorization you have to move, then you have to enter the details, and then there will be one incident or service request created. Same way for business requirement as well. If you click on this one, we'll get information. Now you can see how many steps are in this workflow. Now this is a business requirement. From a transactional perspective, you can see description, current processor, all details are mentioned here. Now submitted validation being checked, handed over tight, because once it is approved, then it will move to IT. Rejected, approved, postponed, committed by IT. These are the actions which are required here based on the status. So just I wanted to know, just I want to update you guys that using a service request creation, incident creation, or business requirement creation, these actions are defined for requester as a part of SOD because all activity cannot do one person. This is how an incident management UI for requester works. Yeah. Then let's go to, just give me a moment. Just let me log off from here. Yes. Now it is by default that how it comes here. That so now we are on homepage of IT service management. We have dispatcher. Dispatcher's role. What does it mean by dispatcher role? Dispatcher role who dispatches the incident to required respective queue based on the segregation. So same UI will open. If you want to see, you can just click on that. Now you can see we have many of the users roles. Here it has the access, then it will create. Now it has some details. It will require to send the dispatcher, right? The dispatcher role, it is required to send to the message processor. Here you can see, just give me a moment, let me annotate some of them. Yeah, message processor, which is required to send this one. Yeah, so I'll go and edit. I'll search the message processor. Yeah, I have just, I'll make some comment in internal note as example. Please work on assigned incident something like that, and after that you can just confirm. Sorry, sorry, it was about to save. Once you save, now the message is dispatched to this processor. So now this processor will receive information, or he can check in his inbox that there's one incident assigned, and he will work on that and confirm the incident. Yeah, that is one how the process how the dispatches of the system dispatch of the incident works. In the same way, if you want some others to be checked, professionals, you can see it is having multiple many roles, right? Because this is professional, which has maximum roles for ITSM. He can create anything. Now if I go here, IT service management, now you can see him, he has many of the authorizations to create incident, knowledge article, problem, service order, service request, but the activity will be done by the same UI. Yeah, so this is something which is already available, so I'm not going to share these because I'm not going to explain everything once again, because I think you people are very much aware. So now the thing is that we are going to check the other options. Yeah, now now we have a new option which is called create incident. Yeah, so this is CRM UI client, and now this is application which is incident app, which is called as, and now it has some other options. I cannot say other options, but different view to create. Now you can see, just I'll click on create incident app, and I have just clicked on this one. Now it will, now you have seen just it in UI 5 itself, it is coming like this one. Yeah, now you can see here, these are titles, category, priority, configuration item, description, attachments by clicking on the plus icon. After that, you can create it. So once you create, it will go to dispatcher queue, and dispatcher will dispatch the incident based on the status, or based on the details you mentioned into description. Yeah, you can make the priority very high, high, low, medium, depends on the criticality of the incident or service request, but it is for incident only. Now we have resolve and dispatch the incident. I'll just click on this one. I'll go. This is again application build, in build application. I can say in UI, you have filter by many of the options. Now you can just say how many customer actions in progress, new, and I'll go for filter. So you can see here, password auto, because it was done and recently today's. I'll click on this one. Now you can see the processor as well he has, and he will get the information that what type of activities, what type of details are mentioned here. He will see some attachments, if any, details, like same thing, first attachment and details. Yeah, after that, what he can take over. Taking over is he will assigning that incident to itself, or if he is want to add some comment, he can add, or propose solution to river, because this is status dependent details. So when we will go through the configuration, we'll see the where from these details comes from. Yeah, so now propose a solution, reply and reporter, and confirm. These are the status based. If you have provided the solution, then propose solution to reporter, or reply to reporter and confirm the incident, but make sure the issue is resolved. This is how the incident management works in solution manager. and even in any of the ITSM tools. And here I can see the my incident apps. Yeah, so my incident, I'll show just which all incidents are assigned to this user from which I have logged in with. Yeah, these all are F5 demo. Now password not working. Yeah, so we can see here. So these are options, and we have a dashboards as well. So dashboard and analytics part, I'll create a different video or separate video for analytics and dashboards, how it looks like. But in this video, I think it is sufficient for, because I don't want to keep it a longer video so people will not get through that. But I would request you all to please go through with the video, and please ask if you have any questions. And now it's time to have some questions based on the incident management. So please stay tuned. So now I have 3 questions for you in this, for this video. Yeah. First is, what is the transaction type used for incident management in Solman 7.2? Second is, what are the options to create incident in SAP Solution Manager ITSM? And the third is, what is the latest service pack available for Solman 7.2? There are 3 questions. Please comment in your comment box with question like first, second, and third. And I'll answer this question in next video. And I hope till the time I'll get some answers on that. Yeah. Along with that, I'll also create a post in YouTube, my channel, and you can also poll in that if you're aware. Yeah. So polling, I think you people can use my community, or you can see in your details that there's community page as well. If you want, I can just show you that how the community page looks like. I go to the YouTube. Now you can, this is my channel. This is community. Here I have just raised this one, which is the interface used for communication between the SP solution manager at a satellite system. So I have received 2 options here, but in the same way, I'll create a new video or new post, and you can go via this one, and please reply on this comment, this video as well, and this what I can say, this post, because there would be questions. I will release many of the questions in upcoming days. Yeah. Also, I'm planning to have one live session with you all guys. So please, whoever is interested, please comment on my section. Please, you can also add into comment that who wants to uh, join the session. If agree, then I'll create one um, session with you all guys to have a live session on any of the particular topic, or if you have any question, because that would be interactive session with me, where you can ask your questions and you can ask your doubts. Yeah. So in this video, thank you all for watching this video. I hope this is informative for you, and you can learn something from here. And thank you so much for you guys having this great time with you. Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye bye.